How to change your Snapchat password. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am already on my Snapchat app. So from here, from your profile, you have to click on the gear from the right top corner. So here are the settings, and from here you have to click on password, which is under the mobile number and email. So click on that, and here you have to enter your old password, your current password. So I will go ahead and do that. So after you've done that, you have to click on continue, and here you have to enter your new password, and then you have to write it again. So I will do that. So after that, you just have to click save, and now your password has been updated. So now you can go back, and that's it. It's that easy. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and you can also like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.